In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be challenging. Many people are turning to detox drinks as a simple and effective way to hit the reset button on their health. These nutrient-packed beverages offer a refreshing way to nourish your body from the inside out. Detox smoothies and juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost energy levels, support digestion, and promote clear skin. Detox drinks are more than just trendy beverages. They offer a practical approach to enhancing your well-being. Whether you're looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle or simply want to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, detox smoothies and juices are a delicious and convenient option. Let's explore some simple yet powerful recipes that will invigorate your senses and revitalize your health. Green smoothies are a staple in the world of detox drinks, and for good reason. Packed with leafy greens, they provide a concentrated dose of chlorophyll, which is known for its detoxifying properties. A classic green smoothie recipe includes a handful of spinach, a ripe banana for sweetness, a squeeze of lemon juice for tanginess, and water or coconut water for blending. Spinach is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, while bananas provide potassium and fiber. Another revitalizing option is the cucumber celery cooler. This smoothie combines the refreshing flavors of cucumber and celery with a hint of ginger for a zesty kick. Cucumbers are natural diuretics, helping to flush out toxins, while celery supports healthy digestion. Ginger aids in reducing inflammation and boosting the immune system. Simply blend a cup of chopped cucumber, a stalk of celery, a small piece of ginger, and water until smooth. If you prefer sweeter flavors, fruity detox drinks are an excellent choice. Berries are packed with antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage. Try the Berry Refresher, a simple yet delicious recipe. Combine mixed berries, unsweetened almond milk, and ice cubes. Berries are low in calories, high in fiber, and rich in vitamins. For a tropical twist, try the Pineapple Mango Detoxifier. Blend pineapple, mango, lime juice, and water until smooth. Sip and shine. The benefits of daily detox. Incorporating detox smoothies and juices into your daily routine can provide numerous health benefits. Regular consumption of these nutrient-rich drinks can lead to increased energy levels throughout the day. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in these beverages help combat fatigue and promote overall vitality. Improved digestion is another notable benefit. Many detox drinks contain ingredients like ginger, lemon, and leafy greens that aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. These ingredients can help reduce bloating, constipation, and other digestive discomforts. Furthermore, detox drinks can contribute to healthier skin. The antioxidants in fruits and vegetables help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Regular consumption of detox drinks can result in a clearer, more radiant complexion. By nourishing your body from within, you're also promoting the health and vitality of your skin. Integrating detox drinks tips for a healthier you. Start your day with a refreshing detox drink to kickstart your metabolism. This can also be a great way to hydrate after a night's sleep. Begin with one serving per day and gradually increase your intake. Experiment with different recipes to keep your taste buds engaged. Use fresh organic ingredients for optimal results. Remember, detox drinks complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it.